Hello YouTube fam and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing 3 easy air dry clay DIYs that look so stylish and high-end. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the like button since it helps our small channel a lot and it helps you never miss another video again. These are the basic things you're going to need to make these projects. First, air dry clay. Also, you need a straw or some sort of wooden dowel and a scalpel or exacto knife. The best thing is that for the 3 projects, I used only this one pack of air dry clay. For the first project, we are doing coasters. So, I'm just separating 2 equal rectangles from the clay. I used a wine bottle to roll the clay out, but you can use whatever you have on hand. We are using the dowel to create dents all across the piece of clay. I'm using this coaster as a guide to cut out my clay into a circle. Water is your best friend when it comes to working with clay, especially to smooth anything that feels too rough. Set it aside and let it dry for at least 24 hours depending on the thickness of your coaster. I decided to sand them just a little bit with a fine grit sandpaper. There were parts that were uneven and bothered me, however, that's just me being a perfectionist. You can absolutely skip this step. And now to the fun part, painting. I use acrylic paint to cover the coasters, but you can absolutely go for whatever waterproof paint you have on hand. I opted for this creamy beige color. A great tip when it comes to painting almost anything that has to be painted on both sides is to use water bottle screws. Now, are you ready for the reveal? For our project number 2, we are doing soap dish. First, we're rolling out the clay and cutting a rectangle. I'm totally eyeballing this, but you can absolutely use a piece of rectangle as a guide. Also, you can make it thicker or wider depending on the look you personally want to achieve. And now we are creating the waves. I'm using a few of these wooden straws as a guide. This took 48 hours to dry up completely. We are squeezing in a quicksand and we are painting it that same creamy color we used on the coasters. This turned out so good. You can also use this for makeup or holding pencils or anything you prefer. And for our final project, we are doing a candle holder. I already cut out a circle for the base and now we are rolling our clay to create 3 equal donuts. They will actually hold a candle, so make sure to measure out the candle you plan on putting inside. The thing I learned about clay is that if you just press it together, it would not hold well. So I'm using this technique of making small scratches using a knife to help it create a stronger bond. And I'm repeating this process to bond every single piece of the candle holder. When everything's ready, smooth it out and let it dry overnight. If I'm being honest, out of the 3 projects, this was the one that needed sanding the most. For the paint, I again decided to go for a creamy neutral color since that's a palette I'm vibing the most with. However, this time I'm mixing it with a little bit of baking soda to create some extra texture. Now, let's get a final reveal. I really hope you liked the projects. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, designers!